Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Super Pocoyo and the League of Extraordinary Super Friends. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. Super Pocoyo. Our buddy Pocoyo has a brand new super suit, making him Super Pocoyo. Amazing! He's strong and fast, ready to fly in and save the day. Super Nina. Amazing. With her jetpack, she can zip around and explore new places. Amazing. Her super brain can solve any problem, no matter how tricky. I love my pen. Super Elly joins the fun with her magical paintbrush. I love my pen. She can paint amazing things that come to life, helping them overcome any obstacle. But wait, there's more. Super Shadow Pato is here too. He's super sneaky and can zoom past anyone, perfect for surprising bad guys. Amazing. We can't forget our other friends. Fred Fury joins the team with his fiery spirit and mighty roar, chasing away any frownies. I love my pen. Super Roberto. Super Roberto brings his amazing inventions to the crew. He's super smart and can build anything they need to win. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Pocoyo and the Super Squad. Look who's ready for an adventure. Our buddy Pocoyo has a brand new super suit, making him Super Pocoyo. Amazing. He's strong and fast, ready to fly in and save the day. Super Nina is here too. With her jetpack, she can zip around and explore new places. I love my pen. Her super brain can solve any problem, no matter how tricky. Super Elly. Super Elly joins the fun with her magical paintbrush. She can paint amazing things that come to life, helping them overcome any obstacle. Super Shadow Pato. Amazing! He's super sneaky and can zoom past anyone, perfect for surprising bad guys. Fred Fury. We can't forget our other friends. Fred Fury joins the team with his fiery spirit and mighty roar, chasing away any frownies. Super Roberto. Super Roberto brings his amazing inventions to the crew. He's super smart and can build anything they need to win. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Light blue. Purple. This is Pocoyo and the Super Squad. Together, they're ready for anything. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.